Balawan College umsning menta kasingi kalai puai terik nailar arhajar arpulai kala Pynlong ke graduation day arhajar arpulai ha ke belayo ban Pynkupburom yasan pulai ngut ki Samla ki bela pas ke undergraduate examination bala penyat ke North Eastern Hills University. Ha kani kasingi lawan bansaki da uba Jason S. Maulong MLA Barim ke umsning constituency kumukongsan ha ke jingdon ringkat ke kong Magdalene S. Maulong MDC umsning constituency kum kesembut kongsan u principal kani ke college u Father Lawrence Carluni nalor ki weipat. Nalor ke jing ai sernot syaki Samla ki bela pas la ai khusnam kerpang ru syaki Samla ki bawan syakmat bat ye ikong lakentiu imli san pulai snam kerta ibala pendep ye ke jing pule watla ha ke jing he kerta la penpu ya kani ke lempung da ki jing ruai bat jing syat jong ki Samla pule kani ke college. Haba keren ha kani ke lempung uba Jason S. Maulong ula ai mensim ki Samla ban yat syakmat ban tur wat laki jing bat ban im ke jing im ke babej ban ai ke babahatam syaka imlang ke salang ban syakri ye ki para brew onda ladep ki jing pule kum juru ban trei shitom bat trei smart ha kanu ke benta jong ke jing im.
Even that our students have passed from this college and they are on the way to move ahead in their life, to go for different works or to go for higher studies or to attain something in their life by the degree that they get from this college. We have actually 87 students who appeared for the exam, and then those who appeared the exam are 53. So 53 of them cleared the exam, and many of them actually they cleared the 6th semester, but then they did not clear in the semesters in the other semesters. That's why they are not given count today because they have not finished all the exams. And then we have also seven students who got first division. So this year we have more people who got first division, and actually we would have been glad if we get the rank also now. I think one student almost get rank because I checked from the certificate that they gave to me or that list of ranks. I checked from there, then the 10th position has 72.8 something. And our students got 72.62. So just little marks more to get rank. So we hope next time we will have some rank also from our college. So today, as we come together to celebrate this day, especially the graduation day of the 6th semester who cleared the exam, we wish that our students come up well in their life, and also we wish the other students who are still here that they should also work hard in order to achieve as the elder brothers and sisters have done. So you also should have that aim that you should do well in your life, and also to pass well, to come up with flying colors in your exams. So today the purpose of this graduation day is to recognize the achievement that our students have done and our students have achieved in our life. So today we also have the academic awards, where we give awards to our students. We give only to the first division and highest from each department. Okay, so those who do not get first division, then we don't give. So we like that the students work hard in order to achieve great goals in their life, especially to achieve first division. So though there are 7 of them, but we give only 1 from each department to get first division. And also we have one more award. We call it special award. Special award to one of our students who made our college famous, especially when she passed class 12. When she passed class 12, she made the college famous, and many newspapers and YouTube channels came to interview even in our college. Myself and vice principal were interviewed because of her, because she passed class 12 from our college. And then today we give a special award to her for for passing the BA exam at the age of 53. So we'll give a big hand to her. And that is could say Simli. She is also the teacher. She is Miss Simli. She is also teaching in one of the schools there. And so we are very happy that came today, and also will give her a special award. So this shows that to learn something or to study does not depend on age. The age is only a number, but you can also do hard work, determination, and perseverance have paid off, and you have earned your degrees. As we leave Balawan and embark on the next phase of your journey, I encourage you to embrace new challenges and meet them with strength and courage. Remember the many good things that you have learned in this college, the skills and the knowledge you have gained in this college are valuable assets that will serve you well in all areas of your life. I urge you to use these skills and knowledge to make a lasting impact on the people around you. I would like to acknowledge with gratitude the hard work done by Sir Jason Wall, who worked hard and went out of the way and all the way, to get a project for the construction of the Balawan Girls Hostel. Let us give a big round of applause to our hands for the big work that was done. I know for sure that with the coming of the college hostel, many girls from our rural and rural areas will benefit, and this will enhance the enrollment of our college, and also will get the girls and students not only from Lake Halaya, but maybe from different states of the Northeast, and that will have very healthy competition, so that will take our college forward. We are fortunate also to have a very hard-working principal. In this past few days, because of the NDP, because of the NAC preparation, Father is sitting. He used to go to bed by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So very hard work. All for the good of the college and for your good. So let us give a big clap to him. So I appreciate and I acknowledge the gratitude all those in one way or other have helped in the growth of this college. Madam Magdalene Maulong also in a small way have contributed, and also all, as I said, Sarkoros, and you, staff, students, teachers, all of you in one way or other, you have tried your best to make this college great, and I'm sure a great missionary, great Father Michael Balawan, whose honor we dedicated this college, will be very happy and glad seeing the great work of you in this place. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude to Graduation Day Organization Committee, esteemed chief guests of honor, and all our well wishers for joining us in this occasion. To you, our dear graduates, I offer my sincere congratulations once again, and wish you all the very best as you embark on the new chapter of your lives. Thank you.
This opportunity for you to reflect on your future plans and aim in life. As we graduate, we enter into a new phase in life, and it marks a new beginning of a new chapter of our lives. It is also a reflection of what we have gained in our academic journey here in Balawan College. The biggest question to each and everybody who has graduated from now is like, what do you want to become? Kajikini, kapag graduate ng niya kumakalo, kaya kapag itumu, kapag kaya kapag itwa, banon. But in next time, learning, can venture into new fields. More, you've got to find what you love or choose what you love to do. Kung ang klien haray, iriban don kemensiam, bagi dia anu akan dia kejingit. We do our love. Do things that you like and love. One thing, what is important in life, we need to focus. Habang orang mungkin fokus ke haray, ini orang nampak pada jimat. Pada jimat ada jimat dalam mana sini. Wala kalau kejingit dalam dia dalam sana. Kejadian mereka di sekolah, di college, ada jenong berjima nasional kita. Ini bandar dekat mesin, begini kita diberiu, ibaratkan kejadian kita diberiu betul. Apa ini namanya syukur? Ini scam, kita ini tidak kapan. Ini tidak kalau bernyanyi macam ni. Baru ini bandar mau ini morals, jadi value. But kenal we should know and value every son. Habang ini kami should not. Ni hapan je dia kalau we itu ni. Kumpul kalian benar ni graduation dia. Nak kena job ni we. Banjir dia kalau we dia kalian tak pilih. Semua telah kalau kalian benar bos. Ibarat tu yang ni siapa pun lakukan dia. Lakukan dia is a very good friend of mine. Pernah berniaga yang semua Hapren kejinya ini kejogi ngatif pada scam lima bulan kejinya. Apa ni kita sama di kejinya? Kilo keji perlu mensir. Nama keji kalau dia lima kali keji perlu mensir. Kilo ada yang jompi ada kami. Mulai dari show kenderaan berani shmat. Hendak kau makan dia. Nasional pun bahkan pro view dari segi kebenaran. Nak benar jompi, hilang teruksa kepahaman tak baik. Bani syakman, kelenci leran, lebani semua hilang ketamran atau responsibility. Nak benar, baik. Terhendak rapio yang sukses hati. Kalau keburam, bukan ke college. Keburam yang kaging kesem, keburam yang benar ini pagi pun kibelai, dia pindah tak mensim. Heart and soul. Apakah baik benar nasional Asia para jomul Pakistan memiliki kenal tentang balik sound tadi kita. Semua kenal pengatir. Kumari dan nishmat kini kawai kita dia. Ni kan semua dia. Kini kawai kita yo orang yo jam. Kun samla bagi tidak terkesan. Ada kesini kebenaran. Ni kan kan bersih banyak motivasi. Begin I, mensir, give courage, encouragement. Mau, ini benar mensir ini kenyataan bahaya. Ni semua shy. Bahkan ni ketika di college sebelah kio, hamdan macam ni. Kejagaan macam ni, yang bahkan nak macam kalah sapia dan lain sahaja. Kini kejadian nak benar di founder, nak di parish, nak di principal. Dan di vice principal dan di genius of kita. Kabur kalau genius ini berbuat kemampuan. Pada ISM 5 kali program ni the next year graduation program for success. Graduation program.
The smallest of the smallest things in your life will shape up your life. The smallest of the smallest things. These are the smallest things that will teach you the most important aspect in your life. So I need you students to reflect on your journey. Now that you graduate, now you are in your own launch time. Now you are your own master now. Now it is up to you what you aspire, what you want to become. But at the end of the day, some of you become engineers, some of you become doctors. But never forget to become a good human being. This is what the world needs right now. I'm sure so many of you would have met so many good people around you. How easy is to communicate with them? It's very convenient to be around good people. So we need good people in this world so that things become more convenient and more easy for every one of us. Why do I say that? I'm telling you. Because while majority of you, I am sure you will succeed in life. Like I said, some of you will become leaders. But never forget, if you want to become a human being, a good human being, I think we need to have that love and the respect for one another. Some of you will become an engineer, doctor. Some of you will become very rich. But make sure if you become rich, not at the cost of the poor. I'm telling you that. Some of you become very powerful. You can become powerful, but not at the cost of the weak. Some of you may seek fame, but do not ignore the shadow. This is what I want to put it across to all the students. The world is in your palm right now. Now it's all up to you. How do you proceed ahead in life? Don't give up on life. I'm standing here, I'm sure everyone that is here, we are putting our hard work and dedication. I'm sure that failure is just one step below to success. Just one step below to success. So any of you that fail doesn't mean that it is the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. Work hard. I'm sure that we have one of the best examples that we got a special award. It is just a number. It is just a number. I'm telling you. The world is in your palm. And you have to make it the best of it. So thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this beautiful program. And I will be close to the college. I have tried my level best in the past to get sanction of various programs, various like a girls' hostel. But I am sure that is not the end. It's just the beginning. Because I want the youth of this college to strive ahead and be someone in the future. Thank you.